Hi everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix your Soundcore earbuds if they're not charging properly in the case. First, check the charging contacts on both the earbuds and the case. Over time, dust or earwax can block the connection. Use a soft cloth or a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the metal contacts and let them dry completely before trying again. Next, make sure the charging case itself has power. Plug it into a reliable power source using the original charging cable. If it still doesn't charge, try a different cable or adapter. Sometimes a faulty cable is the main reason behind the issue. If only one earbud isn't charging, place both earbuds in the case and make sure they fit snugly. Then close the lid and wait a few seconds. Many Soundcore models require a proper magnetic connection for charging to begin. You can also try resetting your earbuds in the case. Check your Soundcore user manual or app for model-specific reset steps. A reset often fixes minor software glitches that stop charging. Don't forget to check for firmware updates in the Soundcore app. Installing the latest update can fix bugs and improve battery management. Finally, inspect the case and earbuds for any visible damage. Drops or water exposure can affect charging circuits. If you notice damage or the problem continues, contact Soundcore support. They can help you with repair or replacement options. And that's it. By cleaning, checking the cable, updating firmware, or resetting your device, you can usually get your Soundcore earbuds charging again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.